Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how to remove pictures from the Huawei P Smart. So how to delete the pictures. First of all, we go to the gallery because we have the best overview here. And let us start maybe with these pictures here. Go on one of these pictures and here you have the opportunity to delete it. Go on delete and confirm and the picture is gone. So very easy. But there's a second way, especially if you want to erase a bit more pictures, because as you can see, the pictures have not a good quality I did here, so I want to remove many of them. So go on one picture and hold it with your finger, and now you can see it is marked. And now you can here mark the ones you want to remove in this small box here below. Don't tap on the picture because then you will go on the picture, just go to the box, and if you have selected them all, so the pictures you want to delete, you go directly here on delete. And now your pictures are deleted here. But for safety, the pictures are, if you go one step back again to have the overview, they are here in a trash can, so you can remove them for the next 30 days. As you can see, we have 29 days remaining. And if you really want to have it completely from your phone, you can erase them here with the same procedure again, and then they are completely erased from your phone. Otherwise, you can also restore them. So then maybe if you did a mistake, if you delete a picture you didn't want to remove from your phone, you can rescue the picture here and restore it. So go on delete, and now they are finally deleted from your phone. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. Let's go back. And if you want, I have also some other videos with some other instructions for the phone, for the Huawei P Smart. It's a very nice phone. Yeah, would be nice if you leave me maybe a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. It's always helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and maybe until next time. Ciao.